In this video you're going to see me painting alongside some of my crewmates. This crew that I've recently been invited to join. So yeah, also painting a new spot, but this spot has got one little annoying feature. So there we are, that is it for this video. I really didn't do a very good job at filming. As per usual, I just get involved in the painting and talking to other people. So yeah, I really didn't do the best job. But anyway, can you tell me in the comment section what is the annoying feature on this wall, which kind of adds to the experience. So yeah, next time I go to paint there, I think I'll paint something a little bit more bolder, less intricate. And then there shouldn't be as much of an issue. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up. That'd be great. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.